phai thago Kaiba haste ni bidhansabha board ni salmari saklai jaka chongmari commission ni bwkhak tei Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Mizoram, Rajasthan tei Telangana o November tal ni bisingo no board ongnai hini gosimwng rwkha chongmari commission ni bwkhak tei phai tongnai 7 November salmari o board ongnai tei painai 30 November salmari o tei Kaiba haste ni board lekhamung phai tongnai 3 December salmari o lekhajak nai joto haste ni no 2024 bisini Lok Sabha board ni sikang a Kaiba haste ni board nai kolnai bodol tei kebengnai bodol ni yao kaisa kotor amjomung chongmari commission ni schedule kahai Chhattisgarh no karei joto haste o no waisa board ongnai phiaba Chhattisgarh o simi no wai ni board ongnai pulani board ongnai Chhattisgarh tei Mizoram o Chhattisgarh o phai tongnai 7 November salmari o pulani board ongnai tei aboni ulo 17 November salmari o ongnai second board tei Mizoram o ke 7 November no pulani board painai tei khaksa phaisingke 17 November salmari o Madhya Pradesh 23 November salmari o Rajasthan tei 30 November salmari o Telangana o board ongnai okra thaini chongmari commissioner Rajiv Kumar saklai kha Kaiba haste ni jotoi 679 achuk thayo board ongnai aboni bisingo katal voter 60.2 lakh jotoi 1.77 lakh voter jotono ongnai kaham ke naikol mungni bagai polling station roko krak ke shepna hana bagai saklai kha bo.
We now will come to the schedule which you are awaiting state by state, and now to start with from the Mizoram, the date of poll will be 7th November and date of counting would be 3rd, which is common of course for all these states, and elections in all these states would be completed by 5th of December. So date of poll is 7th November. Similarly, in case of Chhattisgarh, the elections would be in 2 phases. The date of poll would be 7th November and 17th November. The nominations after Mizoram for the first phase of the Chhattisgarh would happen on 20th, the 13th, and the last date would be 20th. Date of poll being 7th November, and for phase 2, 17th November. In Madhya Pradesh, this coincides with the second phase of Chhattisgarh, and date of poll would be 7th November. So, first Mizoram and the first phase of Chhattisgarh, then second phase of Chhattisgarh and one phase in Madhya Pradesh. Thereafter, Rajasthan, where the date of poll will be 23rd November in one phase entirely in Rajasthan. The date of issue of Gazette notification would be 30th October and date of counting for everyone being 3rd of December. Telangana would go last to the poll and date of poll is 30th November with the date of issue of Gazette notification being 3rd of November. And the entire election process would be complete by 5th of December. So this is what is the schedule. And again, I request all of you, through all of you, to all the voters to please come and exercise in the festival of democracy in a true sense. Thank you very much.
Bureau Report, Kokharang.